Hello everyone, this is Shinjini and welcome to the Tech Talk series by Quadrant Knowledge Solutions, where we discuss latest technology trends with industry experts in the ICT domain. So today we are going to talk about LCAD. LCAD, or low code application development, is a solution used by organizations mainly for application development. So with the help of LCAD, there has been a synergy formed between organizations, mainly the non-IT departments and developers, thereby reducing the dependency on coding engineers. So in order to walk us through the whole process of how LCAD works and everything, we have with us research analyst Abhishek Anand Garg from Quadrant Knowledge Solutions. Welcome, Abhishek.
Thank you, Shinjini, for inviting me to the Tech Talks.
So Abhishek, starting the interview with, what does LCAD exactly mean and why should a company invest in it?
So let's start with the basic.
Yeah.
Every organization have different departments, and each and every department requires some kind of software to function properly. So they depend on IT department for all the software needs. So what happens is, due to the high demand of softwares on the IT department, there is a lag when the requirement is actually there and when the product is actually provided to the departments. So here LCAD, or low code application development, comes into the picture. What happens is, LCAD allows developers as well as non-developers, business users like you and me, to create softwares, design them, deploy them, test them without any use of hard coding or requirement for any complex coding at all. Now, why companies should invest? As I mentioned, that it reduces the dependency of non-IT departments on IT departments, and it helps non-developers to upgrade their skills and improve their efficiency, since they do not have any requirement to wait on the IT department to provide them the softwares. So I believe that every company should invest in low-code platform to improve the overall efficiency of the companies, as well as to upskill their employees and help them to reach their goals in life.
Abhishek, now that you have told us what LCAD is, can you give us or walk us through a brief overview of the competitive landscape that LCAD is in right now?
The market leaders in the LCAD market are actually focusing on the intuitiveness and the ease of use of this platform, providing each and every users to create the softwares in a jiffy. And the other vendors are majorly need to improve upon the scalability of the product, as well as the overall functionality they provide in terms of support for languages, as well as the support for other technologies, the integration. I believe that every user who wants to employ LCAD platform needs to look out for their own particular requirements and accordingly choose the platform. So that is the overall market landscape.
So now that you've given me a very nice overview of the competitive landscape, what are the key features that companies should look into before investing in it?
So this is a very important question that each and every company should focus on. So the company should first of all focus on that the platform provides a graphical user interface that provides the key functionality of drag and drop. So what happens is that through drag and drop, the person can select a particular module that they require for their requirements and just employ that into their interface. And after that, they need to focus on the overall security and the governance that they provide, since we live in a digitally connected world, and each and every company should ensure that each and every software that they provide must follow all the rules and regulations that are globally accepted. For that case, the platforms should ensure that all the rules and regulations subject to different countries and regions are executed properly. Then there is multi-experience development. So what this enables is that each and every developer can generate the applications on each and every platform. For example, it may be Android, iOS, PC, or mobile. As well as these developed softwares are deployable on each and every platform as well as devices. Then it should focus on the overall unified capabilities. The each and every function that is required in the platform, in the applications, are available in a single platform. So this enables to reduce clutter of softwares and bring each and everything in a single place. Like it overall increase the ease of use. Then we have the the scalability, overall scalability of the platform. As we generate more and more data, we require more and more users to be able to use that particular platform to create different kind of applications, and many times different users are working on the same applications. So as the load increases, the platform should be capable of handling the entire load through this time and upgrade itself to support more and more functionality. So I think these are the most important features that a company should focus on.
Okay, great. So after the key features and everything, I have understood that LCAT is in high demand right now. So, wrapping up the whole interview, what can you say is the future of LCAT in the ICT domain right now?
So according to me, like LCAT has matured quite a bit, and it has moved from just being a platform to a technology which can be integrated to each and every company, and provide its functionality for each and every department. So what I consider is that vendors are focusing on not upgrading just the functionality but also the overall support in terms of the languages they are supporting. Like open source programming is a thing that is as in people are focusing on open source programming, and the overall integration to different kinds of application security. Since through the SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, they are using different kinds of open source software, third-party softwares, as well as their own proprietary software. So there is a risk of getting vulnerable to different kind of viruses, attacks, which are just looking for the chance to attack you and hack your company. For that matter, overall security testing is very necessary. So the rules and regulations are kind of passive. They are there and they must be followed. But active safety, which avoids any kind of attack while the software is being developed and throughout the stage of deployment, is very necessary. And in that case, application security testing, which is another technology that is developing quite fast, needs to be integrated, and there is the focus of vendors to integrate these two technologies and come up with a even better platform as well as security features. So I think this is the future, and companies need to focus on the vendors who are actively participating in including these kind of technologies into the platform.
Thank you for taking your time and coming to the Tech Talk series and educating me and the viewers on the whole topic of LCAT. We hope to see you again on another research topics as we walk through.
Thank you very much for inviting me, and it's amazing to be collaborating with you.
Life. Thank you so much for joining in the show, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.